Let me show you an experiment on why these thermostats need replacing as soon as possible to a digistat. So as you can see, the temperature in my office here is 23 or maybe 24 degrees. There's 1 degree out, not much, right? So theoretically at 20 degrees or thereabouts, this should have switched off. So let's just check it. So the meter's in buzzer mode, as you can see here. There we are. So we'll put the black lead on the common as usual, terminal 1, and the red lead on switch live. It's still working. How can that be? So if I just turn this up slightly, when will it turn off? 25? No. 30 degrees? No. This is really what happens in lots of people's homes, and especially if you fit a room thermostat in a hall. It keeps working and working, and you get huge bills unnecessarily. So what I'm going to show you is how to change this. Any make, it's not just this make, it's any analog which is 230 volts AC, how faulty they are after a few years. And as you can see on this one, it don't switch off. If a analog 230 volts AC room thermostat is over 6 years old, it will overshoot by at least 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 degrees, and that's a good reason why to change it into a digital one. All controls, as with everything that we buy, has a little leaflet explaining what it is and how it works and support, and room thermostats are no different. They all will have one of these leaflets saying where to put it and where not to put it. Now I see that picture as a lounge, but many specifiers and installer see a hall. Isn't that strange? Please like and subscribe to this channel, because I've got part 2 of this, which is the wiring side of it. Dead easy, it's an absolute doddle. So I'm going to do the drawing in colour for you, and everyone who buys the book will get this sent to them, the same as all the other wiring ones. So don't forget, we're still open. You can order your books and send them out within a day or two, so you can get them as fast as possible. The drawings for Danfoss, Drayton, Honeywell Home, etc. on the app and the orange book. Take care.